Hello, in this presentation, I'm going to show you how to upload a web page online. This presentation is given to you by my humble self, Joe Okoro. Now, here are the steps you need to take if you want to um, put your page online. The first thing you need to do is you need to get your page ready for upload. And secondly, you need to have a cPanel hosting account ready. Your cPanel hosting account is actually the storage space you have online where your page lives. That is where you will need to move your page from your desktop or from your computer to that space so that it will be visible online. To get started, you need to have your page ready, as I said earlier on. Now, I don't have a page to use, so I'm going to download um, my web page, one of my sales pages. And that sales page is one of my training page, my sales page for selling my Blog Cash University training program. Now, I'm assuming that let's assume that you have a sales page like this is already on your desktop or your computer, and you want to bring it online. You want to upload it online. What do you do? Let me save this on my computer first. I'm going to documents, the document directory, and I'm going to save it as let me save it as blog. Let me save it as blog page, blog page. Okay, blog page. Let me save it as blog page. So when you are saving as blog page, take note that your save as type here must be web page complete. Okay, look at it. Web page complete. Don't choose web page HTML only or any other one. Make sure it's on web page complete. So I'm going to click on save, and we'll go back to the folder where we save it. Remember, it's on the document folder. Look at it. Can you see that there are two files here with the same name? The first one is a folder, and the second one is a HTML file. If you look at the extension here where you see type, you see HTML file. The other one is folder. Now, why is it two files? The first one is the text page. The other one is a folder where all the images on the page are stored. Let's open it. You can see that all the images on that page is stored here. So what we want to do now is we want to move our page, assuming that this is the page you have on your system. You have prepared it, you have uploaded all your images, and you want to bring it online. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open it. Let's assume that this is your page. You have added all your images. Okay, let's open it so that you know that it's the same page that we just downloaded. Let's open it. Can you see it is the same page? Now let's assume you have finished designing your page with all the pictures and everything in it, and you want to upload it on the internet so that it will become visible online. What you do is you go back to your folder here. You go back to your folder, and you let's assume you want to create this name you give to a blog page. You don't want the .html extension to appear the way it appears here. As you can see here, it's having .html extension, as you can see from the browser. .html extension. You don't want the .html as I'm highlighting it here. You don't want it to appear. You want it to be blog page or register or order or whatever name you want to give to it. What do you do? So what you do is you create a folder. Let's create a folder. Let's go to create a folder. You create a folder, name it, give it a name, any name you want that page to be when you upload it online. You give it that name. Let's use blogging, for example. Let's use blog blogging blogging. Or okay, let's, since it's a sales page, um let's use, what should we use? Let's use order now. Order now. Okay, order now. Order now. Order now, and click on enter on your keyboard. Now what you want to do is, you want to make this blog page to bear order now. So to do that, you open it as I did earlier. You open it. I'm using Firefox to open it. Once you open it, this is it. You are going to go back to save it into that new folder we just created, and you click on save page as. Once you click on save page as, you go to documents where we have our new folder that we have just created. Remember, the new folder is order now. You double click on it and there will be an empty space here. So we are going to save the file name to be index, just index. And just as we did the other time, you allow this save as type to be web page complete, and you click on save. So what you do now is, let's go back to our order now, the new folder that we created, order now, and see what happened. Now you see that we have the index page here that we save it as, and another index file which is called index underscore file is actually a folder containing all the pictures on the page. So what would happen now is, once we upload this order now into our cPanel hosting account, our page will appear as order now. Okay, but to do it, yeah, a lot of people use an FTP client, a file transfer protocol application, to do it. But to save you the stress of using an FTP client, there is another shortcut that is even more effective and faster to upload, instead of using an FTP client that sometimes give headaches. So what you are going to do now is, you are going to compress this order now folder. To compress it, you right click on it and you scroll down to send to. Can you see send to? Then you select compressed zipped folder. You click on it. You see that it has compressed it to order now .zip. It is now a .zip folder. So now that it is in this way, it is zipped. What we want to do is, we want to go back to our let's go back to our cPanel. I use Bluehost. You can use any hosting account as long as it has cPanel. Usually under the files segment, you see file manager. You also see legacy file manager. You can choose any of the two, but I prefer working with legacy file manager. Let's click on it. On clicking on it, what you are going to be presented is all the files you have online. So you presented to this directory. You are going to choose public underscore HTML. Remember, don't choose public underscore FTP. Choose public underscore HTML. As you can see, this globe sign means anything you upload here will be global. It will go online. So we are clicking on it, on the globe sign, not on this one. You click on the globe sign. Once you click on the globe sign, let me choose one of my sites, Inbox Marketing Formula. That's where we are going to upload it. Once I click on it, so what will happen now is, this is the Inbox Marketing Formula. Assuming that this is your domain, your registered domain, okay, with a hosting account. What you want to do now is, we want to upload our compressed folder, this one, this order now, into our and domain, Inbox Marketing Formula, or whatever the name of your domain is. To do that, you go to upload files. You click on it. Once you click on it, you click on choose file. we go to documents where we have our folder, and then we are looking for our zipped file, zip folder. So we double click on it. You see it has entered here. It's either you double click or you click once, it enters here, and you click on open, and then you see that it is already here. As you can see, it is already here. So take note that your domain name, you are going to take note of it. Look at it here, up here. This is it. Let me copy it out. Inbox marketing formula, Control C. I'm going to open a new folder here, sorry, notepad, and we are pasting it here. Now, remember it's .com. This is .com. If your own is .org or .com.ng, you add it. So at the other end, I'm going to put either www dot, or I put this http. You put this, and then you put a forward slash in front of it. Then look at the name of your file here. Is order.zip. Let's click on upload. Once you click on upload, look down here. You see that the percentage is showing, the percentage of upload. Now the upload is completed. You will see it at the right hand side. You see it says upload status, upload of order now.zip succeeded. So what you want to do now is, remember it is in a zipped file. It's not visible online, and that the name of our folder is order now. This is it, as you can see, order now. This is it. Let me I want to, this is order now. I want to copy it. Now that is the name of our folder, order now. I'm going to put it at the end of the other end. Oh, it did not copy. Okay, let me write it out. Order now dot zip. You're not going to put dot zip because we want to eliminate the dot zip. You want your page to appear as order now after your domain. Okay, so to remove the zipped part of the extension, we are going to go to that folder and click on it. Once you click on it, at the right hand side you will see a dialog box. So you are going to click on extract file content. Once you click on extract file content, it will extract all the images inside that folder and bring it online. Okay, you will now go back to that same place and you click on delete. Once you delete, it will delete the order now.zip file. I click on empty. You want to empty it? Yes. Now if you go back to this page, now you see that it is now in a blue folder. That means it is now online. So let's go and see our page. So what you want to do now is you copy this, and paste it into your browser. I want to copy it, Control A, Control C, and paste into the browser and see if our page will come online. Enter. Good. So you can see the page is online with all the images intact. Let me scroll down. You see all the images are intact, the testimonials and the rest. Everything is intact to the bottom. As you can see, the page is fully loaded, and even the prices of the product, as I stated it there, everything is there. As you can see, this is a sales page for one of my program. The payment is 30,000 and the installment plan is 15,000. So this is the same thing you can do if you want to upload your own sales page online. You can do the same thing to upload it. It is not difficult to do. Okay, now this is all the steps you need to take to be able to upload your page online. If you want to get more free advanced online training like this one, or on how to sell online and make good money, you can visit bit.ly/sell products, bit.ly/sell dash products, bit.ly/sell dash products. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and leave your comment below this video and other opinions you may have. If you have tips that you want me to talk about, you can leave it so that I will discuss it in the next video tutorial. Goodbye and have a blessed day.